Hi guys! In this video we're going to be learning how to view and complete assignments through Microsoft Teams. So I'm logged in as a learner here and I can see that my teacher has been particularly enthusiastic today and has assigned 4 tasks for me to complete. Now these tasks will appear usually in the general posts section of your team. However, sometimes the post page can become a little bit busy and things can become buried under conversation posts. So another place that I can view them is the assignments tab here. And by clicking on that, I can see all 4 assignments that my teacher has posted to me. Now, handily, it tells me when each of them is also due. So I've got 2 that I need to complete today and another 2 that I need to complete by the 11th of January. So this is quite handy to keep me informed and up to date with what work needs to be completed by when. Now let's have a look at a couple of these. First of all, let's start with a quiz. So I'm going to click on the quiz here, and I can see that the teacher has put in a title and some instructions. And to view the quiz itself, I just click on the quiz under the My Work section. You always go to My Work to actually see the work that you have to complete. So here is the quiz. It's multiple choice. All I need to do is click on what I think is the correct answer. And in some cases, these will even be self-marking, so you'll get your feedback straight away. And in some cases, if you get the wrong answer, it may even give you feedback on exactly why that's the wrong answer. So that's a quiz, and that information will be automatically sent to my teacher. Next, let's have a wee look at this poetry task. I can see that this is a slightly larger task. I'm going to click on that. I can see the title. And if I go to the My Work section, I'll be taken to a class notebook page where I can then view the task. However, another really useful thing, and it's something that people often overlook, is the success criteria. Do not forget about this. If your teacher has put in a success criteria, definitely go and have a look at it because that is the way you will be marked. So the success criteria can be found under the rubric section. And if I click on that, it tells me exactly what I need to do in order to create an effective piece of poetry in this case. So I need to use a range of similes and metaphors, and it gives an example of what an excellent one would be like. Use a range of openers, use vocabulary, lay it out correctly. So I know what I'm aiming for there because I've looked at the success criteria. Now I can go and actually view the work. And all I need to do is click the link. I'll automatically be taken to where my teacher wants me to complete the work. In this case, is a class notebook page. And I can see the learning intention, the task, some tips on it, and even some audio descriptions of how to do this work effectively. Now, there's also a class notebook video to help me understand how to use the class notebook more effectively. But for now, if I scroll down, I can see there's a section here that says type your own poem here. So all I would need to do now is just type my own poem. Once I've completed my poem, it helps to make sure that this little sync icon has gone to a tick before coming out of it. I then click close. My work will have automatically been updated in here. And when I'm ready, all I need to do is hand it in. It will then be automatically sent to the teacher. And the teacher will then be able to view my work and possibly give me feedback using the success criteria. I can now see that that particular assignment has been moved to the completed section and it has a tick beside it. Now you should always go back and check the work that you've completed to see if any feedback has been provided to you. Anyway, that's really it guys. That is how to use the assignments feature, and it's something that you're likely to be using a lot over the coming weeks. So please get familiar with it if you can. Cheers guys!